Okay, so today we're looking at the second page of 614, and we're going to conduct this same way we did last page. We'll do a couple together, and then you'll complete them on your own. So let's do 13. Rue has 842 buttons, then she gives some to a friend. Now she has 263 buttons. How many buttons does Rue give to her friend? So I'm not comparing here, so I start with a math mountain. And once I start with the math mountain, I ask myself, do I know the total buttons that she had? Yes, it was 842. Well, what do I know about those buttons? Well, she gave some to a friend, what I do not know, but now I know that she has 263 left. So again, the way this math mountain works, this is the total part. If one part is missing, you're always going to subtract. 842 minus 263. I have to regroup here to solve. Can't take 3 from 2. Go next door to get 10 more. This becomes a 12. This becomes a 3. 12 minus 3 is 9. Can't take 6 from 3. I have to regroup 100. This becomes 7 hundreds. 10 tens plus the 3 that are there will be 13. 13 take away 6 is going to be 7. 7 take away 2 is going to be 5. My answer is 579 buttons. One more. Let's skip around and maybe try to find one that looks a little harder. Let's do 12. Pavel gives out flyers about a play. He gives out 194 flyers at the bakery. He gives out 358 at the grocery store. How many fewer flyers does he give out at the bakery than at the grocery store? So, in contrast to the last one, when you have this word here, fewer, that implies that we have a compare problem. So instead of a math mountain, I would do this. And this is my greater amount. The greater amount is what he gives up at the grocery store. The lesser amount would be the bakery. I'm looking for the difference here. The greater amount at the grocery store is 358. The lesser amount is 194. Either of the bottom two are missing, whether it's a math mountain or compare bars. I'm going to subtract. So 358 minus 194. I can take 4 from 8. That equals 4. Going to regroup 100. 2 hundreds turned into 10 tens plus 5 is 15. 15 take away 9 is 6. 2 take away 1 would be 1. The difference is 164. So I'm going to go ahead and have you pause here. And you'll complete your work, and please come back and check your answers. Thank you. Okay, so you can go ahead and unpause the video, hear the answers. For number 9, we have 357 pieces. For number 10, we have 332 flowers. For number 11, we have 34 action figures. For number 12, we have 164 flyers. And again, if you got any of these wrong, just pause and see if you can find where your error was. For here, 13, the answer is 579 buttons. For number 14, the answer is 155 tickets. For number 15, the answer is 619 pennies. And for number 16, the answer is 175 cups. That's it for math today. Tune in tomorrow.